Meaning of imperious.
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 Imperious. The word imperious is an adjective that is used to describe a person who is domineering, overbearing, or arrogant. It suggests someone who believes they have the right to control others and demand obedience. The term is often used to describe a commanding or authoritative attitude or behavior, possibly to a fault. For example, a teacher who speaks to their students in an imperious tone may come across as harsh and unsympathetic. Likewise, a boss who acts imperiously towards their employees risks alienating them and creating a negative working environment.